This is Andrew. Andrew is an architect. He has some cryptocurrency, and he's about to have his first shopping experience with crypto. Here's how he did it with Paybe.io. Andrew wants to buy a few things online from different stores. He's starting with Amazon. After copying the URL, he enters Paybe.io. Then, he pastes the link into the link box and adds the link to the cart. You can paste links from various stores and paste more than one link at a time. In fact, you can buy any legal and accessible product online. Paybe.io is fully responsive, so it works on mobile and desktop. Andrew completes the data needed to place the order. You can choose any crypto you want. The list is very long. Well done, Andrew! Your order has been successfully placed. In just a moment, Andrew will receive an email with a link to the order page. On the order page, he'll find the item list, prices, and a dedicated chat with a Paybe operator where he can discuss all the details like size or t-shirt color. Once everything is clear, the order is accepted. Andrew can now go to the checkout, complete the delivery details, and select the payment gateway. And of course, pay the order with crypto. Simple and smart, isn't it?